Dear students, we have the other concept budget set. So it is 4 marks question. Question. Briefly explain the budget set. Briefly explain the budget set with the help of a diagram. With the help of a diagram. So budget set refers to the collection of all bundles. It refers to the collection of all bundles available to a consumer at a given prices and income. So there are various a collection of bundles available to a consumer at a given prices and income. So here it is assumed that the income of the consumer remains same. There is no change in the income of the consumer, and prices of two goods also remain same. So here, in other words, budget set refers to the various combinations of two goods that can be purchased by consumer from the given income and prices. It is simple. So various combinations of two goods that can be purchased by consumer from the given income and prices. So here various bundles of two goods available to a consumer, he can purchase from the given income and prices. So here, if the consumer income is young, so here income of the consumer is young, and there are two goods, banana and mango. There are two goods, banana and mango, and the price of banana is say P1. The price of banana is P1, and price of mango is P2. And he wants to buy, the consumer wants to buy X1 quantity of banana, and he has to pay P1 X1 to buy X1 quantity of banana, and the price of mango is P2, and he wants to buy X2 quantity of mango. Therefore, he has to pay P2 X2 to buy X2 quantity of mango. So here, to buy X1 quantity of banana and X2 quantity of mango, he has to pay P1 X1 plus P2 X2. So it is, he has to pay P1 X1 plus P2 X2. His income is here young, and it is a combination of two goods. He is able to buy at the given prices, at the given prices. Here prices is P1 and P2. So he may choose any combination. There are various combinations or bundles of two goods. So there are many combinations available to him. He may choose any combination less than his income or equal to his income. Therefore, so here P1 x1 plus P2 x2, it may be less than his income or equal to his income. There are various combinations available to him. He may buy any combination less than his income or equal to his income. So this may explain with the help of a diagram. So we have to draw a diagram. So here draw this thing. So it is y-axis and it is x-axis. We measure mango along this axis and banana along the x-axis. Banana along x-axis, mango along y-axis. So here it is BL. It is a income line or budget line. Income line or budget line. So here there are various combinations of two goods available to consumer. Say here mango and banana. It is A combination, B combination, C combination, D combination. There are A, B, C, D combinations available to consumer. He may buy any combination. There are a bundle of the bundle of two goods A, B, C, D. These are various combinations of two goods available to consumer. So this budget line or income line is equal to P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M. If he buys combinations, say A or B, or any combination lies on this curve, this line, it is equal to M. M means here income of the consumer. If he buys C or D, it is less than his income. So here this curve shows various combinations of two goods that can be purchased by consumer with the given income and prices. So this is the explanation regarding budget set. So budget line also foremost question. Budget explain the derivation of slope of the budget line. Explain the derivation of slope of the budget line. So here budget line, we have to explain this slope of the budget line. So here slope of the budget line refers to the number of units. It refers to the number of units of a commodity. The number of units of a commodity that can, here the number of units of a commodity that the consumer is willing to sacrifice. The consumer is willing to sacrifice to get more quantity of another commodity. It means to get more quantity of a commodity, he has to sacrifice the other commodity. So here the slope of the budget line, it refers to the number of units, how much quantity he is willing to give or sacrifice. He is willing to sacrifice to get more quantity of another commodity. It is known as a slope of the budget line. So here slope of the budget line, the number of units of mangoes, that the consumer is willing to sacrifice to get more quantity of banana. So here, how much quantity of a commodity is willing to sacrifice to get another commodity or to get banana, more quantity of banana. It is known as slope of the budget line. So we make right. So slope of the budget line, slope of the budget line is equal to units of mangoes, willing to sacrifice divided by units of banana, willing to gain. So here slope of the budget line is equal to units of mangoes willing to sacrifice divided by units of bananas willing to gain. So it is very simple. To get more quantity of another commodity, more quantity of banana, he has to sacrifice mangoes here. It is known as the slope of the budget line. So here, every consumer, suppose he has income. So income is fixed. Prices of two goods also fixed. And to get more quantity of a commodity, he has to sacrifice the other commodity. It is known as a slope of the budget line. This may explain with the help of a diagram. So draw this figure. remains mangoes along this axis, y-axis, and banana along x-axis. So it is BL, it is budget line. BL is budget line, and so this point, the slope of the budget line say it is A, B, C. The slope of the budget line may be explained with this. Here, how much quantity of mangoes is ready to sacrifice to get or gain more quantity of banana. It is known as slope of the budget line. So slope is equal to PM, price of mango, divided by price of banana. So here, look here. Now consumer is ready to sacrifice. Here he is ready to sacrifice A, B quantity of mango. In this figure, A, B quantity of mangoes he is ready to sacrifice. Mango, how much he is ready to sacrifice? A, B quantity. A, B quantity of mango he is ready to sacrifice to get B, C quantity of banana. B, C quantity of banana. So earlier, consumer is consuming this much quantity of mangoes and this much quantity of banana. Now the consumer is able to consume more quantity of banana. BC quantity of banana. Here he is willing to sacrifice AB quantity of mangoes. AB quantities of mangoes he is ready to sacrifice. He is willing to sacrifice AB quantities of mangoes in order to get BC quantity of banana. So it is the budget line, slope of the budget line. Thank you.